Imagine a world where food is not just fuel, but medicine, where a single ingredient can transform your health, your taste buds, and your entire well-being. Welcome to the wonderful world of olive oil. For centuries, this liquid gold has been the secret sauce of the Mediterranean diet. And in today's video, we're going to uncover the top 5 benefits of cooking with olive oil. From heart health to culinary magic, get ready to be amazed by the incredible powers of olive oil. Benefits of olive oil in culinary magic. Olive oil makes everything taste better. From roasted vegetables to sautéed meats, olive oil adds a depth of flavor and aroma that is hard to beat. It is a perfect choice for low-heat cooking, making it excellent for delicate dishes like sauces and marinades. Olive oil helps to emulsify sauces, marinades, and dressings, creating smooth and stable mixtures. Using olive oil in your meals will help enhance the flavor. This oil adds a rich, fruity, peppery flavor to dishes, elevating the overall taste experience. It serves as an incredibly versatile ingredient, suitable for various cooking methods like grilling, roasting, sautéing, and making dressings for your meals. Using olive oil to cook will keep your meals tender and juicy, as it helps retain moisture in food. Olive oil pairs well with many other ingredients, from meats to cheese to vegetables and even breads. Some people use olive as the finishing touch to their cuisine. A drizzle of high-quality olive oil can add a luxurious finishing touch to dishes, improving the presentation and flavor. When you combine olive oil with some herbs and spices, it helps to enhance the aroma of your dishes, leaving that appealing smell to be desired. Benefits of olive oil to the heart. Olive oil has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, particularly for heart health. The Mediterranean diet, which is characterized by high consumption of olive oil, has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. One of the primary ways in which olive oil benefits the heart is by reducing inflammation. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for heart disease, as it can lead to the development of atherosclerosis, a condition in which plaque builds up in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Using olive oil to cook has also been shown to improve blood lipid profiles, which is another important factor in reducing the risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats present in olive oil have been shown to increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol. At the same time, helps to reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. In addition to its other effects, olive oil has also been shown to have antithrombotic properties, which can help to reduce the risk of blood clots forming in the arteries. This is particularly important, as blood clots are a major risk factor for heart attack and stroke. Final evidence suggests that olive oil has several beneficial effects on the heart, and incorporating olive oil into one's diet may be a useful strategy for reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall health quality. Making olive oil your household oil in preparing all your meals will improve the health of all those who consume your meals. Olive oil has been known to have anti-proliferative effects, which means that it may help inhibit cancer cell growth. This is due to compounds like oleocanthal, which have been shown to have anti-proliferative effects in vitro. Benefits of olive oil against cancer. Olive oil has also been shown to have adverse effects in reducing the risk of cancer in the body. One of the primary ways in which olive oil may help the body reduce the risk of cancer is by reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for cancer, as it can lead to the development of genetic mutations and the promotion of tumor growth. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to its effects on inflammation and cell proliferation, olive oil has also been shown to have anti-mutagenic effects, meaning that it may help to prevent genetic mutations that can lead to cancer. This is thought to be due to the presence of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which can help to protect DNA from damage. Benefits of olive oil to the brain. People who include the use of olive oil in their diet have been known to have cognitive-enhancing effects and help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and dementia in them. Another primary way in which olive oil may help improve the quality of living is to support brain health by reducing inflammation. This can lead to the development of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil has also been shown to have neuroprotective effects, which means that it may help to protect the brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. This is thought to be due to compounds such as oleocanthal, which have been shown to have neuroprotective effects in vitro. Alas, always remember to choose high-quality, extra virgin olive oil to reap the most benefits. So go ahead and get creative with your usage of olive oil in your daily life, and experience the delicious taste and numerous health benefits for yourself.